Practice. 1. You have to be fast. Look ahead, anak. Don't look down. Yeah, look where you're going. 1, 2, 3. Just okay. There you go. Perfect. See, you don't look down. Look up. Ay, pasukan na. 3 weeks pa si Jelana. Yay. Always look up. Oh, talaga. Nasa summer camp pa si Jade saka si Jolene. 3 weeks pa. Di pa. Wow. Galing nga. Oh, you okay? Oh, we need to bring that inside then. You're done? Okay, let's bring it inside. You have to put it up. Okay, good job. Nice. Okay, I'll open the door, okay? Oh, wow. Where are you going? Oh. No. Come on. Good practice. It's okay. Good job. Nice. It's okay. When we have your black top, you're not going to fall now. Okay, you want to bring it inside? Park it inside? It's okay. You want to park it inside now?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
I can do it though. Gravel pa kasi. Okay, you can do it now. Okay. Thank you. Oo nga, Shelane. Mahulog, sinabi mo. Si Jelana, everybody falls. You have to get up all the time, right? Ladies first. And ladies, oh, I forgot turn off the light, anak. Remember? Wait, I need to turn off the light. Ladies first. Oh, come on, compare. Diyos mio, Marimar. Alas 8 na. Hi. Whoa. What? Who? No, it's not. It's not wet. No. Okay, hold it.
You pee your pants?
Galing mag-English ah. Did you pee your pants?
You pee your pants?
Where's the wet?
I pee wet.
Where?
Okay.
Ang kulit.
Right here, touch it. Right here.
Where?
There.
Oh.
Hey, it's right here.
No, it's not. It's not. Oh! Isa. Kulit na. You wanna go inside now? Naka 20,000 na tayo, guys. Okay na tayo sa 20,000 ngayon. So, 20,000 na. Okay, Jelana, let's go inside.